So in this video we are going to talk about how to make this screen a little larger. So here we have a kind of fixed screen of fixed length. So what we are going to do is that let's go to files, and we couldn't able to see anything over here. So what we have to do is click on devices, insert guest addition. Okay, so here we got some guest addition. Right click on here, open in console. Okay, so before installing this, let's make it a little big. Okay, so since it's a Linux, so we are using VirtualBox Linux Additions.1. So before starting it, what I'm going to do is let me just gonna update our system. Okay, so let's go for Firefox, where I have a few commands saved in a tool called Snipkit. Over there I have saved a few commands, so that I'm just going to run that command. Okay, so it's going to take a few seconds. Okay, so let me search Snipkit. So here click on Snipkit. So click on discover, or if you wanted to create an account, just go ahead and create and sign up. Okay, so here CentOS update package development tools, either it is a CentOS or even if it's a Red Hat, you can use it on both. Let me paste it over here, right clicking on here and paste it over here. Enter. It's gonna ask me the password. Okay, Red Hat password. So it's gonna update packages and download the package which we have given. Okay, one package is not fine. That's okay. So I'm pressing Ctrl+L and doing ls, and I could see that there is a file VirtualBox Linux Additions.run. Let me just copy it. And write sudo /VirtualBox Linux Additions.run. So I'm just running it. So let's give a few seconds. Okay, now it's done. So let me just click on here and maximize the screen, and yes, we are done. The screen is full.